What is up? This is What's for Dinner. I'm Drew. Music is by Skeet Whistletooth and the Toothless Wonders. Song is called Hard to Swallow. That's what she said. And your ingredients? You have some French bread. Got this at the local market, $1.99. Also some sliced provolone that we're going to grate up. Some oregano. Also some white onion. Just your typical peeled tomatoes. Also some diced up pepperonis. Italian seasoning. A little sugar. And also some garlic. And of course, here, I know it sounds weird, but we're going to use Worcestershire or Worcestershire sauce, however you want to say it, because if you see in the ingredients, it has anchovies in it. That's right, people. I bet you never knew that. But I want that flavor, and we're building our own sauce tonight for the French bread pizza. And you could just buy pizza sauce if you wanted to make this a lot quicker. Going in with our oregano and also our onions. And of course our Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, whatever. And at the last minute, you want to put the garlic in. We're going to go ahead and add in our crushed tomatoes, and I know they're not San Marzano but the can was like 59 cents at the store. Can't go wrong. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of sugar, and that will take out the tinny taste, especially from the can. And of course, just some salt and pepper to taste. Now, on a 450 Fahrenheit degree oven, I would only cook this for about 7 to 9 minutes. I let mine go till 9, and I thought I was going to have to go till 12, but it didn't take that long. Oh, yeah. Mr. Creepy Face. Please like, share, and also please subscribe. I appreciate everybody out there that watches and listens.